For the love of intersections, has nobody watched City, Soul City, all that work Sister Bettina did on that show to educate us about Isekisi? You guys still want to keep putting people in intersections. You still want people to do Vinky Vongo with other people, but they are connected to this one. But then now their voices there. This is nuts. Are you looking to give your child that extra boost when it comes to school? Look no further because Y-Lick is here to get your child to the next level that they need to go. They specialize in extracurricular lessons that your child doesn't get in a busy classroom. From exam and test preparations. Oh, they do so well, especially matriculants when they need to write like my test, now my exams to get those distinctions. While Lick focuses on giving your child those extra lessons and preparing them to do their best. Kuma test na kuma exams, they offer individual lessons and they also have group lessons. They take physical students and also online students. So they make everything as easy as possible for you. They have weekly and weekend lessons. So there is literally no excuse why Lick is here to give your child that extra boost, oomph, and confidence in their abilities as a student. Mamela, ke re spelling bee, ke re leveling up when it comes to reading, ke re your child's confidence is going to go from here to here, knowing that they have unlocked that extra IQ level. IQ level with EY. Like I will leave all their I was clearly not a student go like you guys can tell like it's syllabus like angel right. I will leave all their details in the description box down below. Look no further because YLake is here for your students, especially if your child is in matric. Run Kichima, get their services today. Ngiyanamukela kunkqubo yami ngumntaba kadade ngumntaba kagogo ngumntaba ka-anti ngumntaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right. Ah, ah, ah. It's at Sims Right Reviews on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I keep getting my new Instagram handle, guys. I had to change my Instagram handle because all my TikTok, everything has to be the same. So that's why I changed it. I know some of you are not happy, but I had to do it for uniform sake. Ne? All right. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. It's month end. I've got a special for you. Sorry, if you want to promote your business or your YouTube channel. Now, on today's video, okay, there is a lot going on. It's one train with moving parts, a lot of moving parts. So we have Umakot Wase Sweden and her friend Cindy Tango. Cindy is an actress, influencer, and a wag, right? She is married to Ubongani Zungu, who plays soccer, and they have a child together. Right. This relationship has always been flooded with rumors and stories about disloyalty, especially on Bongani's part. Ngakhuluma ngomakoti osesibili. Ngakhohlela. I haven't even started on you. So we are still here. So this relationship has always been flooded with naysayers and disloyalty rumors saying Ubongani is not loyal to Cindy. He likes to put his verse, a roots, a Shoprite, a Spa, a Checkers. His verse is not for one private chef only. It is a public supply, right? And then Ubongani, before dating Cindy, he was in a very public relationship with Okanye Cele. People loved Bongani and Kanyicele together. So they were very distraught when Bongani and Kanyicele broke up. You know, they made their relationship their own. It was a very horrible parasocial situation going on there because the fans were like, stay together. They were like, we can't. They were like, yay, stay together. So when Bongani moved on, people are like, never. We can't accept it. Okay? But it seemed like Osinji and Bongani are very happy and they're very private. They are very private people, but they are very happy together, allegedly. Now, Cindy and Lerato are friends, right? But then people, their fans, people that follow them, say, Hore, it seems like there has been something going on because they are no longer in the crooked places all the time together. Nah? they were very, very close. I mean, from the wedding to the preparations to the visiting each other, seeing Cindy on Lerato's vlogs. So now it went very quiet on social media. Maybe by posting on WhatsApp. Maybe they are WhatsApp friends. They no longer involve us. Anyway, so hold on to all these stories, ne? Hold on to everything that I said now. Now, today, I'm on Twitter. There's a page called Salty's Unfiltered. Hey, Salty posts some DMs there on Twitter, and this person on the DMs comes as an anonymous person and says, "Hi, Salty. I'm anonymous. My nanny and Cindy's nanny are friends, so I've got some juice for you," allegedly. And then they start to go on. Actually, Cindy and Bongani are not happy together. They are pretending for social media. Bongane is always talking nonsense behind Cindy's back, and he's always in the streets drinking. Their financial status. Sana, everyone is financially in despair right now in South Africa. Do you not see what's going on with Orange Man there in America and the war and the oil? Everyone is in financial despair. So calling someone broke in Cyril's economy is crazy business when the wheels can turn at any time. Anyway, yeah, Bongani is broke. He's always selling things. And then actually, this anonymous person said her nanny and their nanny, Cindy's nanny, are friends. So clearly, she's trying to imply that her nanny is giving her all this gossip. And then they like, oh, Cindy does not pay her nanny enough and expects the nanny to do everything. Even worse, Bongani is always crying over his ex. Bongani is always crying over his ex, and he just does not like this girl. And this girl knows that this relationship is over, but she's holding on because she will be too embarrassed to leave this relationship. And in December, this girl was made to pack and leave and go to Standerton because Bongani wanted to entertain his other friends in the home. Yeah, and the lobola was so cheap. The lobola was like 10,000 rands, and that's how cheap this lobola was. Hey, shut up. Utini. And then yeah, Bongani has been trying to be friends with my husband Stephen. So it's not gonna happen. Bongani can't be friends with my husband because no, I don't like whatever is going on there. And then this person is blaming Usindi for everything that is going wrong in that relationship. Bongani is always drinking. Bongani is planning to get rid of this relationship as soon as his contract with Amazulu ends. Nah, that is basically the gist of that DM that Salty gets. Now, Tina, as investigators, we sit down and we start thinking. First of all, this person is lying. Ne? This person is lying. This person is a premium hater. And they hate who? Usindi. Because everything is Usindi. There are no nannies involved. This person is someone that wants to eat Bongani's vors, has eaten Bongani's vors, or wants to be around Bongani's vors. Right? Because how can you stoop so low and be so observant and be such a premium hater, even exposing your own husband's name to just bring out juice? You guys are moving mad on social media, right? And it's like this person has to be someone that is close to Usindi Bongani, because we don't know that much, girl. We only write, no, you guys look so. We don't know the ins and outs of the relationship. So this is like an insider that is secretly hating. I'm so afraid of having people that hate me in my circle because these are the stunts that are pulled. Guys, tell me why someone came and said, yeah, this is Lerato. This is Lerato. And then someone was like, no, this is Kanyikeli. This is the ex that brought out so much information. So Tina says, Fagile, it was a detective, as a sergeant. We are up, down, trying to think who hates Cindy that much that they can speak so harshly and so foully about her. Now use helicopter. Ngihlale phela mina. Ubani seka hijack imoto uNkulunkulu. Seba hijack bani? Oh, seyiphumile number. Ebutsotini. Thank you, Mapalala. Thank you, Machobel. Segment you find out some more killing the wood because contains all that. This is why I can never move out of Vikas, guys. This is why I can never move out of his always because I why are people not panding the right way? Why must they whack and whack and break and damage other people's properties that they worked hard for? When are they just together here together? They now they're stealing. Mawas on a helicopter. In fact, Mawas are my pilot. In fact, Mawas the military. In fact, I want those ones that are at the military of Iran to come and take these ones that work here in our class. Guys, no, I'm no longer focused on. Please, now I've given you information. You investigate, and then Mina, I'm going to find out what's going on. Kaslam.